Ever pondered the intricacies of Python full-stack development? A full-stack developer, in essence, is a jack of all trades, mastering both the front-end and back-end aspects of a web application. Diving into the front end, we find HTML and CSS, the building blocks of the web. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages, while CSS adds style and layout to these pages. A Python full-stack developer needs a good grip on both to craft engaging user interfaces. Then there's JavaScript, the lifeblood of interactivity on the web. Python developers often tango with JavaScript frameworks like React.js, Angular, or Vue.js to create dynamic user experiences. Moving on to the back end, Python shines brightly. Known for its versatility, Python is often the go-to for handling business logic, processing data, and interacting with databases on the server side. Python's web frameworks, such as Django and Flask, further streamline back-end development. Django offers a robust structure, following the model view controller architectural pattern, while Flask provides a lightweight, flexible alternative for simpler projects. Data storage is another crucial aspect of back-end development, and Python works well with a wide range of databases, from relational ones like PostgreSQL and MySQL to NoSQL alternatives like MongoDB. Full-stack development also involves a set of essential tools. Git, for example, is a popular choice for version control, keeping track of code changes and facilitating collaboration. Python developers often lean on integrated development environments or IDEs like PyCharm or Visual Studio Code for coding, debugging, and project management. Package managers such as pip are indispensable for managing Python packages and dependencies. Finally, deployment. Full-stack developers deploy their applications on web servers like Apache or Nginx, and often turn to cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud to ensure scalability and reliability. In summary, Python full-stack development is all about mastering a diverse set of skills to build complete, integrated web applications. This approach is particularly valuable in today's web development landscape, where the ability to contribute to every part of the development process is a prized asset. So the next time you marvel at a sleek, functional website, spare a thought for the Python full-stack developers who might have been behind it.